AI engineers are making $200,000 plus annually, and companies are desperate to hire them. But here's the crazy part. You don't need a computer science degree to become one. I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to become an AI engineer from complete scratch in 2025. And it's way simpler than you think. By the end of this video, you have a complete step-by-step plan that you can start today. And I will show you the most common mistakes to avoid. So if you're ready to change your life, let's do this. Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Austin, and I help you break into high-paying tech careers without the traditional college route. And today we are talking about one of the most hottest jobs in tech right now, AI engineering. I'm already excited, but before we go on, help me hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. The demand for AI engineers has grown 300% in just 2 years. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and even small startups are paying huge salaries for people who can build AI systems. And the best part, you can learn everything you need online for free. First, let's understand what an AI engineer actually does. Think of them like builders of smart software. While data scientists analyze data, AI engineers take that analysis and turn them into actual working applications. They build things like chatbots that can have conversations, image recognition systems, recommendation engines like Netflix uses voice assistants like Siri. Now, I know AI sounds super complicated, but here's the truth. Most AI engineering today is about using pre-existing tools and connecting them together. You are not building AI from scratch, no. You are using tools that smart people already created. Think of it like building a house. You don't have your own bricks. You use existing bricks and arrange them in the right way. That's exactly what AI engineers do with AI tools today. Alright, here is your roadmap. I'm breaking this down into 4 phases, and each phase builds on the previous one. Phase 1 is the foundations. First, you need the basics, but don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. You will take it step by step. Step 1, learn Python programming. Python is a language of AI. It's almost the easiest programming language to learn. Start with free resources like python.org's tutorial or free code camp on YouTube here. Spend 2 weeks here, 1 hour daily. Step 2, understand data basics. Learn how to work with spreadsheets of data. Check out Pandas library tutorials. This is like learning Excel, but for programmers. Spend another 2 weeks here. And that's it for phase 1. 1 month gone, and you have the foundations in your hands. Most people quit here because they think it's not enough, but don't be like most people. Phase 2 is AI tools. Now you have to learn the actual AI tools. These are like power tools for building smart applications. Take them step by step, and in step 1, master OpenAI API. This is the same technology behind ChatGPT. Learn how to use it in your simple Python programs. There are tons of YouTube videos, YouTube tutorials for this. Step 2, learn Hugging Face. This is like a library of pre-built AI models. You can use models for text, images, and speech without building them yourself. And in step 3, try Google Colab. This lets you run AI code in the cloud for free. No need for expensive computers. After phase 2, you can actually build simple AI applications. We are talking real stuff that works. Phase 3 is where the magic happens, because in this phase, you're going to be building real projects. You're going to build 3 projects that you can show to employers. Project 1, chatbot. Build a chatbot for a fake business. Maybe a pizza ordering bot or a customer service bot. This shows that you understand conversational AI. Project 2, text analyzer. Create something that can read reviews and tell if they are positive or negative. Companies love this stuff for understanding customer feedback. Project 3, image classifier. Build an app that can look at pictures and identify what's in them. Maybe a plant identifier or a food recognition app. Now, once you build these 3 projects, put all of them in GitHub. This becomes your portfolio. Employers care more about what you built than the certificates you have. Step 4 is to get hired. Now you're ready to get that AI engineer job. And as usual, you're going to take it step by step. And in step 1, you're going to create your LinkedIn profile. Or if you have one, update it to say AI engineer and showcase your projects. Post about what you're learning. People are watching. And in step 2, apply strategically. Look for junior AI engineer roles or AI developer roles. Don't aim for senior positions yet. Apply to at least 10 companies every week. And in step 3, prepare for interview. Practice explaining your project in simple terms, no technical jargons, and be ready to code live. Practice on Let's Code for coding questions. Now, this phase might take longer. Job hunting is very tough. But if you've done your work from phase 1 to 3, you will get hired. It's only a matter of time. Before we wrap up, let me tell you the biggest mistakes people make in this process. Mistake 1, trying to learn everything. Don't try to master every AI tool. Pick a few and then get really good at them. Depth beats breadth in this process. And then number 2, not building projects. Watching tutorials feels productive, but trust me, it's not. You have to build things. Your hands have to get dirty. That's when real learning is actually taking place. And then number 3, waiting to feel ready. You will never really feel 100% ready. No. Start applying for jobs when you are 70% ready. You will learn the rest on the job. Remember, even experienced programmers Google things every day. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know how to figure things out. So here you have it, a complete roadmap to becoming an AI engineer in just 6 months. No degree required, just commitment and consistency. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to python.org and start the tutorial today. Don't wait till Monday. Don't wait till next month either. Do it today. Thousands of people have made this transition. The only difference between them and you is that they started. So start. Now, if you're tired of being overlooked for promotion, you've worked hard, done all you know to do, and yet when promotion time comes in the office, somehow your name is omitted. I have something for you. Click on the first link in the description below to watch my free masterclass where I review the promotion strategies that actually work. Things you can do right now to see instant results. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more career advice. Drop a comment for me below and tell me which phase you're going to be starting with right away. I want you to see this playlist is filled with personal development content that will help you in your journey as you transition into being that AI engineer you've always wanted.